Hey guys, I'm Jason, and this is Gumdrop's brand new FoamTech case for the Microsoft Surface Go. This two-piece case is easy to install, was designed specifically for use in the K-12 market, and is made of rugged EVA. What is EVA, you ask? It's a lightweight, rigid foam that's not only colorful and fun, but has some amazing properties, such as weather and chemical resistance, sound insulation, it even floats. What we like the most about it is its shock and impact absorption capabilities. What does that mean for you? It means that all of those shiny new Surface Go's you bought for your classrooms will be protected from the repeated abuse that your K-12 students are so good at dishing out. Our FoamTech products are so rugged, in fact, that the Surface Go case has passed a military-grade drop test, surviving 26 drops from 4 feet without sustaining any damage to the device inside. It has a built-in slot to hold the Microsoft Pen, and is compatible with the Surface Go kickstand, so you can still use its multiple reclining positions to adjust for your perfect viewing angle. So, if you're looking at a large deployment of Microsoft Surface Go's this season, make sure to click on over to gumdropcases.com today and request a free demo unit.